Hi guys, so welcome back to another video, and I'd like to say thank you so much to all the returning viewers, and thank you so much for the new viewers as well. You are really keeping this channel going and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back. With that being said, let's get into the video. First of all, I would like to say some of you, not all, some of you are going really hard on Meghan in the comment section, and sometimes the video is not about Meghan. I've uploaded complete video that's not about her, but yet she's the main focus in the comment section. I would please urge you to comment nicely on how beautiful Kate Middleton looks, Princess Catherine, as this video is all about her. And we don't need to throw shade on Meghan just to praise Princess Catherine. We can just say good things about Princess Catherine in her own right without referring to Meghan. Okay, let's get into the video. Once again, for real this time. So this is the beautiful wedding of Princess Catherine and Prince William in 2011. Don't mind me. You know, I like reminiscing on the past great memories of past events. So here we see them coming out, and Princess Catherine's sister, Pippa, was her maid of honor or chief bridesmaid. I don't know what they call it. Tell me in the comment section if I'm wrong. And she's holding her dress, and Prince Harry was in the back. He was his brother's right-hand man throughout the whole wedding day. Great support to his elder brother. Everyone was looking so handsome and stunning, ladies. Here is the moment of the day. Princess Catherine curtsies to the Queen out of respect. This is so nice. Let's see that again. The Queen has a pleased look on her face. If you look closely, it even looks like she said thank you. Let's put that back again. Let me know in the comment section if it looks like she said thank you. How you saw Princess Catherine curtsy to the Queen, we also do a similar thing in the African culture. Yes, Shade Princess is Nigerian content creator born in the UK. We would also bend down to our in-laws, but as Princess Catherine only curtsied to the Queen, we would, it's not called curtsy, but we would bend down to both sides of the family. So both parents we would have prostrated to, and also the elder guests we would have bent down, kneeled down to them as well. Just out of respect and to thank them for coming to the wedding. It's like a greeting as well. But it was really nice to see Princess Catherine curtsy to the Queen. She did a really great job, and you could see the Queen was really happy with that. I will be bringing a lot more royal throwback videos, great memories of the past. So if that's something you'd like to see, please subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss the next upload. I also will be bringing you that video that I promised about Princess Diana in Sandringham. So please subscribe, and thank you very much for your time. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.